Okay, I've got my Whirlpool washer, super capacity. It's got over 9 cycles for washing and plenty of options with the load sizes and water temperatures and all that. The purpose of this video here is just so that you can take a look and see that they do in fact work as described, work perfectly. And I'm going to give you a good look here. Got a good heavy jeans, some towels, and some bigger items like that in there. It's going through the agitation portion right now. It's got a good strong agitation. Sounds great. Things you want to look for is just make sure that it sounds good, it runs smooth and steady. And once it gets over to the final spin, I'm going to show you that so that you can hear it at full blast and see that it spins nice and fast and everything works good. So we'll let it go through this cycle, and then I'm going to come back for that spin. And then once it's all done, move the clothes over and show you the dryer. And it is right now kicking into the rinse cycle. So you can hear the pump working, it's draining out all that water. Also a very important thing to check. And of course I go through a 28-point inspection on the washer, 22-point inspection on the dryer. That ensures that everything works on them, that you don't have to worry about it. So letting you listen to that, you can hear it draining all out, no problem. Then it's going to spin and fill back up and get all that soap and everything out. So, alright, we'll come back for the spin cycle. Alright, and we're back on the final spin. You can see it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. Show you now, you're not really supposed to lift this up during the spin cycle, because if it interrupts the speed and the rotations and all that, your clothes may not get quite as spun out. And of course it's got the safety lid switch feature. I do it to show you that it is in fact spinning nice and fast like it's supposed to, but according to owner's manual, not supposed to do that. So just so you know, there should be no reason to open it up. But this way you know, spinning nice and fast. So there it is. I'm going to let this finish up. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer, and I'll show you that the dryer also works perfectly. Okay, so this is finished up. We got those clothes moved out of there. See, it's nice and clean. Washer's good to go. Dryer is a Maytag. Super capacity plus, plenty of space. Makes that really large load look small. See, nice and bright light. Got the heat set on high. Signal off. We'll just put it on time dry. Hit go. As you can hear, it sounds great. It's a nice, smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So whatever that red dot points on, it's going to give you the surface temperature or whatever it touches there. So we're going to open this up, shoot that right inside the heating element tube. So the heating element is down below and the heat travels up through here. This can get all the way up to 300 degrees right inside that grill. But the inside of your dryer is only going to get between 100 to 195 depending on what your heat setting is at. So there you can see plenty of heat. If I can hold this thing steady tonight. And we'll hit go. And we'll let that finish up. So that's it on the video. Now you know they work great. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We'll get them listed up for sale. Appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.